Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at VeChain news and price prediction. Disclaimer: this video does not encourage you to buy any of the cryptocurrencies or investing at all. This is just the opinion of an amateur, not a financial advisor. Before investing in cryptocurrency, I recommend talking to your financial advisor and doing your own research. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all commission fees on Binance, then click on the link in the description. VeChain is the most undervalued cryptocurrency, a new poll shows. VeChain VET is the most undervalued cryptocurrency in the market, a new poll has shown. VET beat Hedera Hashgraph and Ravecoin to the throne with an overwhelming majority at a time when its price continues to chase after the 10-cent milestone. The poll was conducted by Real Vision, a New York-based broadcast media and financial research company on Twitter. Real Vision started off by requesting its 221,000 followers to submit the names of cryptocurrency projects they believed are most undervalued. VeChain was by far the most popular pick. Other tokens which garnered substantial submissions were Ravecoin and Hedera Hashgraph. HBAR and RVN were too close to call. As such, both will go up against the single most popular response to this post, VET, Real Vision revealed. The poll itself attracted 140,341 votes. In the end, VeChain emerged the runaway winner, garnering 2/3 of the votes. Ravecoin was a distant second at 30.6%, with Hedera Hashgraph being the least popular pick at 3.6%. VeChain continues to soar. Despite winning the poll of the most undervalued cryptocurrency, VeChain has the highest market capitalization of the three tokens. With its market cap now at $5.8 billion, it ranks 21st, just below Tron. The token is trading at 9 cents at press time with a 5.9% rise in the past week. Its all-time high stands at 0.0992 cents, which is recorded on March 22nd. VeChain is still chasing the elusive 10-cent price milestone that would take its market cap to $6.4 billion. VeChain's price has greatly benefited from the continued efforts of the VeChain Foundation, which has continued to forge partnerships with several enterprise firms. The latest is with Ubiquity, a blockchain-as-a-service firm that will build its solutions on VeChain Thor. As CNF reported, Ubiquity is seeking to use VeChain's blockchain to power the global title industry. The foundation has also partnered with Chinese-French cosmetics firm Yazigi, aluminum giant Hydro, and U.S. vape company Puff Bar. Sunny Liu, the VeChain CEO, revealed 2 weeks ago that his firm is also seeking to target decarbonization. VeChain has partnered with DNV and automotive industry giant BYD to build a proof of concept based on its blockchain technology. In the latest news, a VeChain developer has revealed that the Sync 2 Lite version now supports Ledger, the leading hardware wallet maker in the cryptocurrency market. Sync 2 is VeChain's recently launched wallet app that opens up the blockchain to wider DApp integration. The developer, only known as Labotny, attached a screenshot showing Sync 2's integration with Ledger on his tweet. VeChain has yet to formally announce this integration, though it has retweeted the developer's tweet. Alright, so now let's get to the price prediction. VeChain's price has already climbed 22% and momentum shows no signs of waning. The breakout above the 3.618 Fibonacci extension of the 2018 to 2020 bear market at 0.097 cents is a relief for the bullish speculators after failed attempts in the last 3 weeks. VeChain price reflects increased testing of the network in China. Since November 2020, Fed has religiously held the 10-week simple moving average on a closing basis, establishing a fortified digital token trend. Unlike other pullbacks, the March correction of 25% stayed well above the key moving average and any important retracement levels of the 2020 to 2021 bull market. With a resumption of the trend, traders need to focus on the 4.618 extension level of the 2018 to 2020 bear market at 0.124 cents as the first line of resistance. A more credible target is the 2.618 extension level of the March decline at 0.141 cents, yielding a 26% gain from the current price. More aggressive traders need to focus on the 3.618 extension of the March correction at 16.6 cents. It is a 50% gain from the current price, but considering the magnitude of the breakout and volume commitment, it is a reasonable projection. Charts on multiple time frames point to 0.097 cents as the critical support for the rally, and a weekly close below the level will immediately shift the outlook to neutral. The subsequent report is the March low at 0.075 cents, followed by a combination of the 10-week SMA and the 0.382 retracement level of the 2020 to 2021 advance around 0.070 cents. If the critical moving average does not hold on a weekly close, it is a signal that the trend has changed and a far deeper correction is underway. The 0.50 retracement level sits at 0.057 cents, and the 0.618 retracement level comes at 0.44 cents. Starting on April 30th, VeChain stakeholders can vote on a proposal that could determine the future of the network. The vote was initiated by the VeChain Foundation, and the community can decide whether to adjust the base gas fee of the VeChain Thor blockchain. The voting will take place on the vVote platform, while stakeholders can choose between 4 proposals. Leave the base gas price as is, 1E15 way. Reduce the base gas price to 2E14 way, 20% of the current gas price. Reduce the base gas price to 5E13 way, 5% of the current gas price. Reduce the base gas price to 1E13 way, 1% of the current gas price. The reduction will not be permanent, but will respond to the observation of the market and its fluctuations. Why have the fees risen for VeChain Thor blockchain? The VeChain Foundation argues that the future of the network depends on its ability to keep costs viable and affordable, especially for large-scale corporate use. Therefore, the vote will help the network maintain its competitive edge. The vote has come after a reflection on the impact of increased network usage since the beginning of the year. Data from the VeChain Foundation shows that a transaction for a given task on its blockchain cost 29 cents in early January. The same transaction now costs about $7, the foundation says. Aside from startups, increased transaction costs would also affect current and future business, enterprise, and government users. Such increases in transaction costs can slow down the large-scale adoption of products and services. While the delegation fee as a service DAAS and the VeChain Thor Supercharger program were initiatives launched with the purpose of mitigating cost increases for users, the VeChain Foundation now argues that additional measures are needed. Additional solutions, applications, and use cases that will use the VeChain Thor blockchain are in development. Therefore, VeChain Foundation anticipates a future increase in demand for VeTho, the token used to pay for gas on the network. They assure the following. To ensure that this growth can happen, the VeChain Foundation believes that we should continue as planned to provide a stable and cost-efficient blockchain environment for governments, enterprises, builders, and users. The voting process has come as a result of these concerns and after the VeChain Foundation received feedback from its partners, developers, and the community. Once completed, the VeChain Foundation will be responsible for introducing the proposal to modify these fees to the steering committee for implementation. Authority masternodes, Xnodes, and economic nodes holders can now visit the vVote platform and make your input heard. The 2 most favored choices will be submitted to the steering committee for final decision. Well, if you're wondering, where can you buy VeChain? You can follow the links in the description to additionally get some extra discounts. But note that I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. We really hope this video was interesting to watch and gave you some info about this topic. Thanks for watching.